माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, नेटफ्लिक्स, उबर, मेटा, लिंक्डइन और कई सारी कंपनीज अपने फ्रंट एंड डेवलपमेंट के लिए जावास्क्रिप्ट यूज करती हैं। इनफैक्ट इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड अ कंपनी जो इसका यूज नहीं करती। ये दुनिया की वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पॉपुलर लैंग्वेजेस इसीलिए है क्योंकि इसे सीखना बिगिनर से लेके एडवांस लेवल तक के कोडर्स के लिए बड़ा आसान है। एंड बीइंग योर नॉलेज पार्टनर, हम आपको पीछे कैसे रहने देते। So we have got an expert for you to get you started with your JavaScript journey and be industry ready.
Programming is an art. Hello there, I welcome you all to this module on JavaScript. I know that right now some of you might not be even aware of what JavaScript is and how you can use it, and thus may be clueless as to what this module contains. Well, this is something that you need to take note of. This module makes no assumption of your programming knowledge or experience in any programming language. This module has been designed in such a way that it suits all kinds of people. Those who have no prior knowledge or experience in coding, those who have some knowledge or experience in a particular programming language, as well as those who have knowledge of JavaScript. I bet that no matter what category you fall in, you will get to learn a lot, which will be new as well as exciting for you. Also, do not worry or get overwhelmed. We will go very slow and I'll teach each and every concept in detail so that it is really easy for you to follow along. Have you heard the words computer program, programming and programmer? Well, obviously you must have heard them and they all seem so synonymous. But what they have a subtle difference in between. And this difference is the same that exists between a subject, an object and an action performed by a subject on an object. Okay, not going back into grammar right now. So what exactly is a computer program? It is the act of instructing computers to carry out a certain task. A computer program is analogous to code as well. Imagine it this way. You want a coffee from a coffee machine. You just go to the coffee machine, put the cup under the knob, press the coffee button, and then the coffee is poured into your cup, and then you add some sugar if you want it. So you followed a series of steps to get your coffee. The coffee machine can be thought of as a computer system in this case. You just need to give the computer a problem like preparing coffee and break this problem by defining a set of instructions like the steps that you followed for getting your coffee. And then leave it all on your computer. The computer does the magic of performing these instructions and thus solve the problem for you. This is the reason why this black box of plastic and metal gets itself identified as an intelligent machine. Another keyword related to computer program is programming. Well, it is the process of telling computer to execute a computer program, and computer programming is something which you have already learned. And the one who feeds a program to a computer and does all this programming is called a programmer. So after you have completed this module, you will definitely be a programmer, if not already. Have you ever wondered how a YouTube video plays when you click on the play button? Let's say I play this video over here and it starts playing a video for me on the YouTube. Also, have you noticed that this play button has been changed to the pause button now? And now when you click on this button again, it will pause the video and you see that the button has again changed back to the play button. So what helps in performing these changes in order to enhance the user experience? Well, the answer is JavaScript. Let us visit upGrad's website to see one more example of how JavaScript enhances user experience.
So there you have it. आपका इंडस्ट्री रेडी कोडिंग में स्वागत है। अब यूजुअली लोग जावास्क्रिप्ट और जावा के बीच में डिफरेंस नहीं बता पाते, तो हमने इसके लिए भी एक वीडियो बनाया है। चेकआउट कर लेना, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। हमारे जावास्क्रिप्ट का सफर तो अभी शुरू ही हुआ है, तो बने रहिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए अपग्रेड टेक को, एंड वी विल कम बैक टू यू विद अनदर वीडियो।